In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a new automation in Wix that will send an email automatically whenever a form is submitted on your site. This is a fantastic way to streamline your workflow and ensure prompt communication with your audience. First things first, you'll want to head over to the automation section in your Wix site's dashboard. Once you're in, look for a button labeled plus create automation at the top right corner of the screen. Click on it, then choose the option to plus start from scratch. This will allow us to build a brand new automation tailored perfectly to your needs. Give your automation an appropriate title so you'll easily remember what it does later on. Now let's move on to setting the trigger, which is essentially what prompts the automation to activate. In this case, we want the trigger to be when a form is submitted. Go ahead and select Form Submitted in the Trigger section. You'll see a drop-down menu that lets you choose which specific form on your site should kickstart this process. Make sure to pick the right one before clicking Apply to confirm your choice. With the trigger set, it's time to decide what action should follow. In the Action section, click on Action and select Send an Email from the available options. Wix provides some flexibility here, offering alternatives like sending a thank you email or other types of notifications depending on what works best for your workflow. When you choose the Send an Email action, you'll get the chance to customize it even further to suit your needs perfectly. Let's take a closer look at personalizing this email. Start by editing the sender details. You'll need to input a name and email address from which the emails will appear to be sent. If you'd like recipients to respond to a different address, you can also add a reply to address. This step is crucial to ensure replies don't get lost or misdirected. Next up is customizing the email itself. Click on Set Recipients to decide who will receive this email. You have the option to send it to specific contacts, contact segments, or even a custom email address. Then draft a compelling subject line to grab attention and craft the body of the email. This is where you really engage with your audience. To make your message more personal and relevant, consider including dynamic information from the form submission, like the submitter's name, using fields such as name. And that's it. You've now set up a fully functional automation in Wix to send out emails automatically whenever someone submits a form on your site. This simple yet effective automation not only saves you tons of time, but also helps maintain strong communication with your audience. Thank you for watching, and don't hesitate to experiment further with Wix's automation features to optimize other aspects of your workflow.